students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS textbook and chapter Wave of Life. Okay, chapter number 24, Wave of Life, page number 158. Okay, so all of you see this board. Sorry. See this picture. Okay, first, that is squirrel, snake, plants, birds, moon, cow, rat, soil, house, air, grass, sun, water, squirrel. Okay, this is the round of circle, wave of life. By now we have known that different types of animals like a squirrel, plants, birds, moon, they are related, they are dependent to each other. Okay, and water, houses, animals, vehicles, and many other things, we must have thought about them as well. And can you tell why did we try to know and think about all these things? How are we linked to the things shown in the picture? Come, let us find out. First of all, draw your picture in the blank space. Okay, now join your picture with lines to all those things which you feel are needed for you to live. So first one, plants, then air, then house, then soil, then grass, then water, then sun. These things are very essential in our life. Okay, have you joined your picture to the house? Yes, let's see with what other things can we join the house. What is house made up of? House made up of wood, bricks, clay, water. Okay, so wood comes from trees, bricks which are made from water and clay, and next clay we get from soil, and water we get it from rivers, pond, wells or rains. Okay, so it must be clear to you with which picture or words you need to join the house. In the same way, join all the things with other things related to them while doing so, and you might need to write the names of a few more things which are needed in our life. What have you finally got? A big wave. And it's not it. What can you understand from this wave? So from this wave we have learned that all the things in our environment are dependent to each other, like air, water, sunlight, plants, animals. They are, all of them are dependent to each other. If one is destroyed, then the ecosystem or the environmental balance is breakdown. Okay, so all the essential things like soil, sunlight, water, plants, animals, they are very important in environment. Okay, if any of them is denatured or endangered, then the environment is destroyed. Okay, so from this web of life we have learned that all the things like snakes, plants, birds, the moon, cow, rat, soil, house, air, grass, sun, water, squirrel, they are, all of them are dependent to each other in our daily life. Like house is made up of wood, bricks, clay and water, but wood comes from trees, bricks are made from water and clay, and clay we get from the soil, and water we get it from rivers, ponds, well, or rain. Okay, so children, in this topic we have learned that different things like plant, animals, living things, non-living things, both are related, correlated to each other. Okay, thank you.